Society's commitment to better mental health provision has brought the need for accessible talking therapy into sharp focus. Individuals requiring assistance often experience difficulties in accessing a therapist, sometimes enough to deter them from seeking help altogether. A Room in Town is supporting partners such as EAP providers, insurance companies, HR departments, and others by offering solutions in all key areas. Live availability means you select the appointment and it's done. No phone queues, voicemails, or waiting for someone to call you back. We provide stress-free booking of appointments with therapists willing and able to accept clients. For therapists, we provide a single point of access to multiple partners and the ability to easily and quickly create available slots for bookings by those partners. We give therapists the environment and support to grow their practice. Our elegantly furnished rooms offer a containing therapeutic environment in a well-located building that is solely for the use of talking therapy. A Room in Town has created a system that provides those looking for help quicker and more efficient access to those offering help. A Room in Town. We enable better outcomes for all. Contact us to learn more.